How to delete your ChatGPT account. In this video, I'm going to show you everything you need to know about deleting your ChatGPT account. Let's get started. You can delete your ChatGPT account by two methods. First one is by sending the email, and the second one is through help chat, for which you have to be logged in into the website of OpenAI. For the first method, all you have to do is compose an email and send it to deletion@openai.com. Also, do make sure that the email address that you are using is the one that you have used to create your ChatGPT account, or else, it's not gonna work. You have to write account deletion request on the subject part and please delete my account on the body part. And after this, you can just go ahead and send it. And within like 1 to 2 weeks, your account will be deleted and you'll be notified about this. Let's move on to the second method. For this, open your any browser and search OpenAI. Click on the very first link, which is the link to the official website. And scroll down, there you can see the login option. Go ahead and click on it. Enter your email address and click on continue. Now enter your password and again click on continue. And now that you have logged in, you can see the help option at the top right corner. Just go ahead and click on it. And then click on message option, which is in between home and help. Click on send us message. And you can see options here. Go ahead and click on account deletion. Then you can complete the in-screen instructions and your request will be sent, and within like 1 to 2 weeks your account will be deleted and you'll be notified about it. And this is all there is to know about account deletion. Do know that deleting account is a permanent process and you cannot just undo it after you've completed that. And that's all for this video. Thank you for watching.